Hey guys, what's going on today? We're going to make drum noises. Got all these drums out. Usually you should see these stacked up, but I've got them out and I've got it wrapped pads because we're going to make loud noises with it. So we're just going to make loud drum noise, starting with this one. Now this one, and then this one, and the loudest one. Those are the 4 loudest ones, so we're going to hit everyone again, see how hard we can hit it. Yeah, there we go. But anyways, I'm done with the loud noise now, so those were the noisy drums, but anyways, I think it's all about it. I've done FE1 now, but I think it's all about it. So, as long as you guys please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and peace.